Need a bedroom that saves space while staying calm and functional? This Wabi-Sabi transformation shows how smart storage, cozy bedding, and a thoughtful layout can make every corner count. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas, you get a real plan that fits you. So, you want to have good interior design? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. Let's begin with Bedroom 1. The layout keeps the room open while adding plenty of storage. Moving to Bedroom 2, every element is planned to keep the room organized and relaxing. Every detail is planned to keep the space organized, functional, and relaxing. This Wabi-Sabi design proves that even a small bedroom can feel calm, comfortable, and spacious. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp.